To make all your screenshot and screen recordings look clean and professional on a Samsung Android phone, go to Settings, tap Advanced Features, select Screenshot and Screen Recordings and turn on Hide Status and Navigation Bar. Here you can see your screenshots and screen recordings looking professional. To quickly silence your incoming calls, just put your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. To turn on this feature on your Android device, go to Settings, choose Advanced Features, tap Motion and Gestures and enable Mute with Gestures. Once activated, whenever your phone rings, you can flip or cover it and it will go silent within seconds. Searching in the Play Store, you usually tap the search icon and then tap the search bar again. Skip that extra step by double tapping the search icon to open the search bar instantly. You're ready to type right away. It's faster and feels like a hidden shortcut. If you want your Android phone to read text aloud from any app, here's the quickest way to set it up. Go to the Google Play Store and download Reading Mode by Google. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Installed Apps and select Reading Mode. Turn on the Reading Mode shortcut. Tap the Accessibility button to create a shortcut at the bottom of your screen. Tap the Accessibility icon, then highlight or tap the text on your screen. Your phone will start reading it aloud, giving you hands-free access to anything on your screen. Hit like, subscribe to Life Hacks, and I'll show you more hidden Android tricks every day.